And then we have our Largemouth Bass Set, which I call this design the Morning Glory. And I call this the Big Splash. I call this the Big Gulp. And then I call this one. Here's just one of our whiskey glass leather wraps. What we do is we create everything ourselves here at Hometown Inspiration. We take my illustrations and design concepts, program everything into a laser machine. We use stainless steel snaps, and we have this special cut right here. We made that special cut so your guest that's drinking the whiskey out of the glass is not chewing on your leather third drink in, using it as a flavor saver. So there's plenty of room for the mouth, but there's also a great spot for your decoration to have that personality shown that this is my glass at this party at this time. We have several different designs to choose from. This is just a small variety to show you. Let's start over here with our inshore set. We have this spotted sea trout, we have the snook, we have the tarpon, and we have the redfish. And then we'll go to offshore set. We have a sailfish, a yellowfin tuna, a blue marlin, and a mahi-mahi. And then we have our duck hunt collection, which is the lab, the mallards, the lab retrieving, and then the lab retrieved. And then we have our largemouth bass set, which I call this design the Morning Glory. And I call this the Big Splash. I call this the Big Gulp. And then I call this one Lurking. And then we're working on State Flag Series. This is the Florida flag, what that looks like. Request a flag if for your state if you want that. We'll happily create that. And then we have a Patriotic Set. This is just 2 of the Patriotic. We have 4 or 5. Yeah, we have 5 or 6 now of the Patriotic designs. But yeah, this is our whiskey glass leather wrap set. And be sure to check us out at hometowninspiration.com to see all of our designs. We're about quality, not quantity. And we're about every little detail. We're about details of the illustration work and the leather quality. So please give us a try. We'd appreciate it. Thanks.